Hey, good morning, folks. How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time seeing this channel, well, I want to let you know we're going to be doing some stupid stuff here in the next couple days. Maybe even the next couple weeks, months, whatever. It is about 9:40. Yeah, 9:40 in the morning. We're up here at my nice little project car, and we're doing a cold start. I have so many videos to post. Wow. Radio works. CB works. Cool. The only problem is, wait. It won't drive. So, but nice. This is a 1998 Volkswagen Beetle. I put the CB on myself. It's being held on, 3 bolts. You can see right there. There's a hole in the spoiler that I used. Yeah, you can see the holes over here. I used that hole to put the bolt through. This I actually bought off of my co-worker that I work with currently at Napa. He's like, I have a car sitting around, I don't drive it anymore because of my new one, and I just want it gone. I was like, alright, how much you want for it? He's like, $550. And the only problem is it does not, well, the transmission doesn't function. So, you see we have a blue hood right here. The car's black. The reason being we have a blue hood is because we have a parts car, hi Charlie, that is sitting right here. This was wrecked, and pretty bad at that. You can see the wheels tilted out. That's from my Pontiac that I was going to drive. Just didn't get around to it. We were screwing around the one day and took out the passenger window here. Yeah, the car is actually on my buddy's yard, well, land. Just do that. That works. But yeah, you can see the car was pretty badly wrecked. This we did because we had this car was complete when we got to it. We took off the whole front end to get to the transmission. And the cool thing is my coworker's pap said if I need any parts, I could just take it off this, because this is just going to get to the scrapyard when we're done. So, yeah, right back here you can see it was wrecked. I don't think the front bumper has any damage proof. No. So, I might go through and take the wiring for the fog lights for that, because those do not work. And oh damn, that's on Never mind. Okay. But yeah. Our goal is to completely flip this on its side, so that way we can get the transmission. I've gotten myself into a lot of shit the past years, but this right here might be the biggest thing I've ever done. Completely flipping a vehicle on its side just to get a transmission for a car that I bought for $550. Normally I buy cars that run and drive, but that car right there is going to become Herbie. But I figured I'd make a quick video for you guys. It's been a while since I posted anything because I haven't had the time to, but I have a stockpile of videos. I have a stockpile of videos that I'm going to post. But yeah, it's going to become Herbie. We got the stripes mapped out right here. So, yeah. But I'm going to get going. I have places to be and things to do. And then I have to go into work. That's why I have my work shirt. So, I'll be posting videos later. And see you later.